I did this and this using vMix GT title designer. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to customize your own title using the vMix GT title designer. Stay tuned, don't forget my name, Joseph Olasukomi. This is extensive. Okay, so I'm gonna go straight into vMix. Let's use the vMix GT title designer. We go to all here, want to look up all our applications, then go down quickly to vMix. So see you're doing this folder, so you can see everything here. You can just click on vMix desktop capture, go and use to capture screens. But this time we're using GT title designer. vMix GT title designer is to design your titles. Those titles you see on vMix that is coming out ministream, you can design your own custom title that's coming in with your pictures, with the passport picture and the rest like that. I'm gonna show you. All right, so quickly we just want to do a ticker. First of all, we create a rectangle. You see, just click on the rectangle over here, and then you can drag and drop to go to the rectangle. So let's do that and drop to the edge here, and drag this and drop here also. So we have our background for the digital design. So to make a picture that just zoomed in these pictures, I have a picture that doesn't have the background. It should be my picture. I have, okay, it should be in download also here. I have this over here. If I just bring in this picture, so ministering or custom preaching, I can use shifts so that it won't shrink it to go. I don't use shifts because I shrink it anyhow I want to. I use shifts to just reduce it directly to the way I want it. I think I like it this way. If you add this safe margin to show you how things works. I think I like this, something like this. Or if you're looking for how to remove your background, you can use remove.bg or erase.bg. Let me just show you how to do that. Go to remove.bg. You can also go to erase.bg to remove background. This forms a remove background. So just drag and drop a picture, remove background, drag and drop a picture, remove background. So originally I wanted to use this picture over here, this picture, but then that's background. This was in my studio. I just drag and drop it into remove.bg, and then it removes the background using the AI. Just clears up the background completely. I like it this way. Yes, then you can just download it directly. At times I use Photoshop to remove background. At times I use Canva to remove background. I have the Canva Pro also. At times I use remove. So I don't need something quick. I just remove the BG, quickly remove this for me and download it. If you need the max, you need to buy some credits and the rest what it does. Then here is the BG also. It has the clearer version for free also. You can use it, sign in and the rest like that. So that's how I remove my background and I downloaded it. Then once to this. So this now I brought it in. If you want to move, if I want to change the background, since my logo, I'm always telling you guys about coloring. My logo and my color signatures are blue, orange, yellow. So let me just change this to blue. I click on the rectangle over here, and then you say color, and really use blue. Yes, can use this blue, or you can necessarily be. Yep. So we have this coming in, but then also make it match with that blue over there. So I can say, I think it's this blue in particular, yes. So this is my blue coming in, and then this is our ticker here, ticker. That's text scrolling from the left to right, or right to right. I then click on it, and then bring in my ticker from, I usually start from here, so I can know where it starts from, and then drag it to all the way here. Then also drag this here. Okay, we have our ticker. This is the text over here. And drag it down so to get in the middle, and then I can drag it here also. Yes, I like it this way. So we have our text coming in. So in case you want to bring any out page, want to bring any information on the screen, it's using me as an extensive on the screen. So when we do this is all what we want to do just for the ticker album. Then we can click on here and save. We say these are the things I've done here in the past. So just save over here. And then I can put it in wherever I want to save it to. Let me save it in document and put in new folder. Can put any folder using this new folder here or Ctrl+Shift+N. So put any folder and let me say vMix titles. Then paste it here. Let me say extensive all ticker. Ticker. This keyboard is really so. Alright, so do not save as it is both of them, so just I think that's in a safe zone. Yep. And then as a save, we can just open our vMix directly over here. So I'll open on our vMix so that we can bring in this title we can use. So we know that in our vMix we can edit if we want to edit the text, want to edit anything. I'll just go to the add input over here. You saw what I'm telling you about. Go to add input and go to title and then bring in browse. You want to browse from where you save it in documents, vMix titles, and bring this extensible tickers. Yes, I like my view is large icons. Yes, then open and then it opens. Boom, this is me over here. Over here you can see it. So if I show you my save margin from here, you should see it here. Look at it down beneath here. Not too much, not too much. So this is my text over here now, and I can just edit everything I want from it. This is just what I needed from the basics: my picture, my background, and the text sliding in. So I can quick play it and loop. So this is the text here. You can see it in between everything. I can right click on it and go to title editor. I can say, okay, let me edit my text and say this is expensive of production. Today's everyone heated while the exams start. Okay, please can do operation. Yeah, so it's black. We can change the color over here. So let's say, and do everyone black. It's a nice yellow. I'm by white. Yeah, I can use this, and then I can make it faster. Let's go to the title ticker settings over here, and then the speed can be in like 5. Okay, yeah, I think this is more better. Yes, I can use please, so I capital P. And then we'll yeah, put in any title you want, and then your image over here, you can browse and change the image. That's something about this title designer. Once you have brought in your picture, your image, your everything, audio. Oh, I didn't put the picture. I didn't put the text at the back of the picture. That's my bad. Okay, let me just go straight to just title design, and then this sticker is supposed to be at the back of the image. Yes, at the back of the image. So as it's scrolling now here, let's see. As it's scrolling, you're supposed to be at the back directly. So let me test it right now. Yes, going at the back. That's what I wanted actually. That's what I wanted. Yeah, that's when back that. Yes, that's what I wanted. So we're just going to save as and then just replace it. I'm going to replace it. Yes, and then over here, I think we refresh, load it. We'll load it. It should reload. Hopefully, I'll call it now. So we're going, everything again. Extensible total production period and message while this. Yes, this is what I wanted in at the back of it. So going back, then I can change in, if I want to edit it, I can change the title to the one I want. Let's say this is the image. I can browse source and then change the image to another image. Let's say if I have another picture, or I don't really have my picture on this system. I've not seen one of my things, but let's say for instance I want to use this for my picture, and just copy me, and then instead look at it. It's over here. Yeah. So I can, how do I put it? I can actually save these particular templates for you guys. Also, I'll drop it in a Google Drive link, so you can customize it also to the way you want it. I'm not going to leave my picture there. You're going to see it on my image. So once you download it, just edit it by putting your title over here. You can change the. I don't think you can change the color actually, but if I want to change the color of the text, my color of the ticker which is here, it's fairly solid. Except you want to change it over here. Don't see if I change it. Yeah, you can change it if you can change the color. So you can only change the ticker picture, which is this picture over here, and then the text to the one you want. But the background blue is actually permanent. So you can also use this, or you can just customize your own the way I did it. So let's say for another title, you want to customize a mini string now. The other one I did. To do that, let me close this now. To do that, you can just go to your title designer. After I've said this, I can just click on new. So for my title now, I want to put my church title the way I did my church title coming in. So the logo first, then it brings in title and then text. So go to my pictures and then bring in this. Use it over here. I can just reduce it. If you see that, if you notice it's dragging, if I actually go bring in and use new and then create 1080 types, so create 1080 titles, it is dragging. And this is my logo. But if you notice the logo doesn't have a cover at the back, doesn't have like a background at the back. So I can actually bring in a background for the logo over here and use Alt Shift so it can have a perfect circle here like this, and then turn it to white, then put it at the back of the image. Don't like this. I've already did this. I'll do this and then kind of group both of them into one. Create a group layer. But then just in case you have issues with your logo, you want to move the background, can use erase.bg, remove.bg, can use canvas to move the background, can use Photoshop. Or just in case you have something like this, you can also use Photoshop to add your logo on top of it. Yes, can use Photoshop as your logo on it. Or then I have the original one which is this. So let me just use that in particular. I'm just gonna delete this and delete this. I have the original one which doesn't have background. Yes, this is it. Okay, so this is my logo over here. Yeah, I have the one with background, but without the one without background, or in case you remove background and then it's removed the background of this also, you can easily just do the one I told you about, adding the circle on top of it and then moving bottom together, or you can open it with Photoshop. This one is actually more good. I prefer this one. Opening it with Photoshop and then adding the background on it, then exporting it out. This will have a background. So let me just show you guys real quick. So yeah, this is my Photoshop now. I've brought it in. Then all you have to do is just go to the cycle. Want to create a cycle over here, Eclipse 2, and then we can create a perfect cycle using the Shift button. And I have this perfect cycle. Then fill, turn it to white, and then put it at the back of the picture. And you have this. Then I just easily export it out. Quick export as PNG. And then on my deck pictures here, I just put it here on my pictures, GGPN, more metric, tap. And then there we have it, that's done like that, exported around 7 pictures. So if I go to pictures, I'll see it here, GGPN double. So in my GT title designer, if I did this, bring in the picture, go to pictures, you should see it here. This is it. Actually more easier. So that's just in case you use remove.bg and then it's not removed. Now if I'm reducing it, I can reduce it over here. I don't want to just use shift to it. I have already reduced it to perfect size. I like using, I told you how we should use the edge here. But I said now I want to bring in it from there is yep. So this is my logo now. The logo coming in and then shows ministration, like ministering Pastor Osama, those person that's ministering. So blue and white, I bring in my this and then ministering. This. Okay, so let's just go to our pic. So this is the first rectangle, right? Both of them should be above, so let the picture be above of it. And then the first rectangle, the one up is rectangle 1. I can use white color for it. And then the one down should be blue color. Since my color are blue, this one I've used recently. Yes, so I can use string Pastor A or something. Okay, I'm just taking off it right now. Then the title, this is the right here. I put in this title box. Yes. And then string. Double D. Yep, string over here. Then bring it. This is good. Then I can just copy and paste this. I'll bring it down. Let's say it's name of my pastor. It's longer to be position. I was sitting there already, guess. So I can reduce this to this. Okay, so I need to make it longer. I need to make this rectangle longer. Because pastor name is longer. I like this. So I want this color, this text to be blue to match the rectangle here. So I use this for the colors. Go to blue, and then this one should be white to match the rectangle up above, then color white. I like this now. So what is needed is for the transition to come in, like how does it come in playing and how does it go out. So we go to animations over here, and this way our transition in. But I want this transition out, but after we do the in. So for the in first, you let the logo, you click on the logo should bounce in. There's the place it bouncing, so we play it. This is play, it bounces from the right. Guys, bouncing from the right, that's from here. You can use reverse, that is it going back and then appears, but now I think it should be from the middle, because to bounce in the middle, anything like that. Yes, I like this. Bounces, then the fresh rectangle at the top. This rectangle at the top, fresh rectangle at the top should reveal. No, from the right, so something like that. Yes, but then after it bounces, the rectangle review, so should delay for a bit, because after bouncing to now review, so to delay for like for like, let's say 2 after this, then review. Okay, that's too much. I think 1 is okay. Yes, I like that. Then the rectangle also should reveal after 1.5. After the first one review, the second review, so we can play it and see reviews. Yes, good. And the text should fade in. Guys, scroll here, see it's cool. Okay, no. In the first fading, I think I prefer fading. So after it reviews 1.8, after it reviews 1.5, then 1.8, like this. And I use 3D page. So we won't be 1.5, 1.4, let's use 1.4. Then play. Okay, let's say 1.6. I'll play it. You see that? So when that is good, let's also do this one for fading in 1.9. So wrap this. Yeah, so it can be data, let's use this one, should be like 2.2, and this should be 1.8. then can play it. I think I like this. We'll play it again, we'll see king in. Okay, so that's the transition in. I want to do the out. Okay, David. So I think we should use the transition out. It is just fade out. So I can say this should fade out for like after 1. Everything just fade out. I can just everything fade 1. Yes. This one isn't fade also. 1. Yes. This one fade. First of all, fade out 1 here. Logo is in fade already. Fade should not be here because the rectangle also fade out 1. Yes. Then the other rectangle fade out 1. Cancel out, remember, not reverse. This one, yes. So now we play the in and out. Let's play the in and out and see it. Mission for say some fades out. I think I like that. Alright, so now we're gonna go to you can also try some other transitions in and out, but I think I like this already. So I'm going to go to our file, save as. Let me go to documents where my GT title is, vMix titles, and I can say I'm gonna name it GPN. That's our thread, GPN mainstream. Yes. And then once that is done in our vMix, then let's open our vMix once again. Alright, so in our vMix, we go to add input. Let's test the inputs right now. Titles, this is the recent, the one we did. We can also see the recent from our GC title design instead of browsing. So you can just click it here, or let's say you want to browse, just in case you see on C's, go to document where it's saved in titles, GPM mainstream, open, and then click on OK. So this is over here. If I'm to, let's say I'm playing black screen now, this is my camera. When I put this on number 1, let's see how it plays. ministry. Then about to remove it from number 1. Fade out. I like that. But it's not too perfect to be noticed. That is bouncing in. That's what it will sound wrong. If you see it now, it's kind of showing the rectangle at the back of it. You see, I'm seeing this, but then it's manageable. It's really manageable. So once I have more time, so I can, edit it for my third personally. But that is basically how to customize your title design. So any title you see online there, or any title you have in your mind, it's just about your creativity, your imagination. If you can imagine it, you can do it. Some people use After Effects to do their titles. Some use Premiere Pro to do their titles. But then if you use those, you can't actually edit what you are putting it in vMix. You have to do it from the ground. From when you're using your After Effects, you have to edit your titles and animations there. But then if you are using vMix title design, you can actually do this. You can actually click on the title editor, and then you can change this person. Maybe person use some explanation to add this to it, and then I can say the next person explanation into John, call me extensive. Yep. Then necessary ministry, and then I can say host instead. Host extensive. I can also change the logo safe. So in case I put this in a Google Drive and send it to you guys on the link in the description below, I don't see this particular GT title and the like GT title, so you can edit your logo. You can also edit that. Yes, you can edit that, and then put in your logo, browse your logo, any logo you want, bring it in a piano chain, and then you can actually add more. Can add more this extensive here now. So you could click on number 1, which we have assigned to it. Those extensive. Something like that. This is really good. This is really good. And then we have to check the save margins. Using this, you see that save margins mostly on real save margin. So I can fade it out and then animate to the exact animation we did in GT title. And that is how we actually customize our own GT title in vMix GT title designer. Thank you very much for watching. If this video has been useful to you, please don't hesitate to like, comment, share, subscribe. Share to logo on to family, to friends. The more you like it, the more YouTube actually sees it. The more you like it, the more YouTube actually see this, like, okay, this is actually informative and indicative, then it pushes it to more audience. So please like, share, so YouTube can actually recommend it to a lot of people. Ask me for how to actually use your vMix title design, so people can actually learn how to actually animate your custom design. So you don't just be limited to what vMix is giving the default designs, the default titles, but instead you can animate yours the way you want it, perfectly the way you want it. Bring it in. You can use different ones. Maybe every Sunday you use different titles. You can use my sticker. You can use this. I'm going to put this sticker and this title in the description of this video, so you can download this, add this to your vMix. Just browse and add it to your vMix. Then you can edit it, add your logo to it, add your titles to it, and it's actually good. Or then better still, you can actually design yours yourself, and I'm really sure your church is going to be to the next level. Your event hosting is going to take it to the next level. Thank you very much for watching once again. My name is Joseph Bolasukomi. See you in my next video.